Hey everybody, James Kruger with Trendsid Realty here. Just want to give you a real quick update on what's going on out in the market and how we're protecting our clients and potential clients from the COVID disease and keeping it from spreading, keeping your family safe. So first thing we do is all of my listings, there's a safety first COVID prevention station where there's a bag here with some goodies in it, and we call it a care kit. Agents walk in the door, first thing they need to do in their clients is use the hand sanitizer, also next to the care kit. Inside the care kit, they're gonna find a mask. And then put the mask on and wear that throughout their visit. There's also some shoe coverings in there. I know they're really cool looking, but hey, keep those on during the visit as well. And then a set of non-latex gloves. So being cautious with the latex, so we're using non-latex gloves, and those are to help prevent any spread of COVID throughout the showing and listing appointments with potential clients. So in addition to that, I'd like to give you my website address, which is down below here, jameskrugerrealtor.com. There are additional information resources there regarding COVID. There's some checklists that we have and some instructions that we have that we share with agents that are at the safety station with the care kits. And I want to make sure you're able to access that information and understand how I'm protecting my clients and making sure that they are safe and their families are safe as we go through this challenging time together. Again, I hope you're being safe and healthy at home. Appreciate your time, and I hope you have an awesome day.